Hey everyone, welcome to an art. Let's make some art. Today I'm gonna make an art of a beautiful lady you are seeing your corner of your screen. So this is all my tools. First, this is two my blending brushes with one my electric eraser, with one mono eraser, with one pencil eraser, and this is white charcoal pencil used for highlighting, and this is all my graphite pencil with graphite powder, with charcoal powder. So basically this is all my tools I'm using in this video. So without wasting our time, let's start the video. This is my final result, guys. I hope you like it. So please like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. I meet you in my another video. Take care. Bye bye.